Mortgage interest rates have started falling like the leaves on the trees. What impact is it having on the real estate market? Well, stick around for your November real estate market update. Hi, I'm Paula Flagg with Paula Flagg Homes, and today I have your November real estate market update. Now, mortgage rates have dominated the last few months as the primary driver of the market conditions. And fortunately, over the last few weeks, we finally started to see some relief. Interest rates have fallen a half to 1% since the beginning of November. So let's take a look at what's been happening around the region, starting first with the statistics for October that were released last week and what we see as real estate professionals in the market right now. Remember, these numbers are for the greater DC area. If you'd like similar information for your city or neighborhood, let me know and I'd be happy to provide it. Now, in the month of October, we had 4,859 closings. That's down around 200 from September and down only 12% from last year. The average sales price was up about $10,000 from last month at 637,636. And that's 2.4% more than last October. The average sales price to list price ratio was 99.5 in October. It's in line with the last few months, which is trending slightly lower. This is the first month we've seen it dip just under the 100%, and that is up 1.3% from last year. New listings that came on the market in the month of October was 5,971. That's down around 250 from September, and it's 19.6% lower than last October. We had 9,156 active listings in October, and that's up around 300 from September. We're still down 14.6% from this time last year. The average days on market is 21. That held steady. It's the same as October. It's 4 days less than last year at the same time. And for median days on market, we were at 10. Last year, the median days on market at this time was 15. For month supply, we're at 1.65 months. Now that's slightly higher than last month and this time last year. Still extremely low inventory levels, and there's a lot of demand for the best properties on the market. Now, as we have expected, we saw uptick in transactions since Labor Day, as September and October tend to be more active than August. Inventory still remains low, and half of all the listings are selling within 10 days of being on the market, all while interest rates were rising to over 8%. Now, the good news is that on November 1st, Jerome Powell's commentary after the Fed meeting indicated that they may think inflation is under control finally and on track to reach their 2% target. And while they will still continue to raise rates if new data arises that makes it necessary, it seems they may be finished raising rates and expect the economy to continue drifting the rest of the way to the target. This had an immediate impact on mortgage rates, which dropped about 0.5% by the end of the week. And over the course of the last couple of weeks, activity seems to really picked up in spite of the looming holidays. Buyers who have been in the market but slow to make offers have been more eager to submit offers now that they feel like the interest rates have come down and their payment would be more manageable. Open house traffic has increased, and the conversations that I've been having with buyers has felt more optimistic. So as a buyer, this is a great time to be able to buy a house and be able to have all of the typical contingencies like home inspection, appraisal, and financing, and be able to submit an offer and negotiate as the only offer versus competing with multiple offers and needing to waive those contingencies. If you're consider selling a house, make sure you prepare your home for the market. It needs to be turnkey, move-in ready. And if you stage and market your house correctly and price it right, you'll have a great deal of interest in the house. And on average, sellers are getting the sales price they're asking for. Now, the biggest factors to watch over the next few weeks and months will be the budget negotiations in Congress that are happening right now, economic data such as inflation and jobs, and of course, the global wars. Now, I know I just threw a bunch of statistics at you and a bunch of new information. So if you have any questions about this or anything else, really, reach out, give me a call. I'd be happy to help. And if you think you may want to buy a home, sell a home, or invest in real estate in the next year, give me a call. It's never too early to start talking to a professional and putting your plan together. My number is 202-670-5880. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you have any suggestions for any other real estate topics you'd like to learn more about, please let me know as well. And as always, thank you for choosing Paula Flagg Homes for all of your real estate needs.